To set up fingerprint unlock on Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here select the lock screen. Then go to your screen lock and biometrics and enter your current password. When it's done, you'll be able to scroll down to the biometrics and select the fingerprint. Now continue. And here you need to find your fingerprint. So on F07, fingerprint is located on the right side where there's a power button. Now you need to basically start touching your fingerprint scanner with your finger that you want to use to unlock your phone. So make sure to do it from multiple different angles, and on the screen it will show you the percentage of the fingerprint scan completion. When it's done, you'll be able to unlock your phone with a fingerprint. So as you can see, it's added, and now let's test if it actually works. So if I lock my phone and then use this finger, it should unlock, and it does. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.